This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play two Nintendo Switches together. To begin, make sure both of your Nintendo Switch consoles are running the most recent system software. It's also crucial that both consoles have the exact same game installed, and that this game supports local wireless multiplayer. Finally, position your two Switch consoles close to each other, ideally within a range of 10 to 15 feet, to ensure a strong connection. Once your consoles are ready, navigate to the main menu of the game you wish to play. Look for an option typically labeled Local Wireless or Local Play and select it. One player will then take the lead by creating a game room or lobby. The second player will then simply search for available rooms and select the one created by the first player to join the session. It's a straightforward process. After successfully joining the host's room, you'll typically be prompted to confirm your character selection and any desired game settings. It's vital that both players are running the exact same version of the game to avoid any compatibility issues. Once everyone is prepared and settings are finalized, the player who created the room will then start the game, launching you both into your multiplayer adventure. For the best experience, always ensure both Nintendo Switch consoles are fully charged or connected to their power adapters to prevent any mid-game interruptions. Try to keep the consoles free from physical obstructions, as this can interfere with the wireless signal. Lastly, double-check that both players have identical game versions, whether physical cartridges or digital downloads, to guarantee smooth and consistent multiplayer fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.